Cleanzwork should be at $5.50. Doesn't necessarily mean the price will rise up to their price target. And it can signal to investors that the stock is either undervalued, overvalued, upside potential, etc. But the problem is a lot of analysts are really bad and they don't know what they're doing. So let's talk about some that do. So this is a company called H.C Wainwright. What they did was they dug into what Cleanzwork is, kind of like the way I do with my minor videos. But I don't know if other companies actually do that. So let's look at the Cleanzwork price target ranges. The high is $14. The average is $10.01. The low is $5.05. And this is the list of all the analysts that are, JP Morgan should be held overweight, which is a big bullish sign from them. But H.C. Wainwright have a $14 target. That's upside of 400% from where we are. Roth Capital, $12. B.Riley, $11. Kantur Fitzgerald, $10.50. By the way, Kantur Fitzgerald are a very top-notch shop. They